Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Omni Industries is reporting a resilient performance for its 2024 financial year, with revenues down but profits climbing. The company says revenues for the 12-month period came in at $1.92 billion, a 6% decline year over year. It's largely due because of challenges in the construction sector, which is its largest market. Severe weather events like Hurricane Beryl and Tropical Storm Raphael, shipping delays and cement shortages disrupted several major projects. But despite the dip, Omni closed the year stronger, posting a gross profit of $637 million, up 6% year over year. The company credits the growth to cost-cutting measures, better logistics planning, and a shift towards higher margin products.
The outlook for 2025 is stable, with real momentum behind our core initiatives. We're building out what we started step by step. With our new injection molding machines operational, we expect to see improved production speeds, lower operating costs, and improved output across high volume lines.
Rock Insurance Company is reporting a net loss of $31.4 million for the 6 months period ended June 30. That's despite generating insurance revenue of $1 billion during the period. The performance was impacted by a 33% surge in reinsurance expenses, which climbed to $663 million, along with a 10% increase in insurance service expenses, totaling $358 million. Insurance service resulted in decline, with this declined sharply to $9 million, down from $20 million in the corresponding period last year, and that further affected the company's bottom line. Despite the loss, total assets grew to $1.81 billion. The JSE index declined by 1,355 points today, while the junior market index fell by 49 points. The advancing stocks were led by KLE Group, ISP Finance Services, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and Lasco Financial Services. Losers were led by Productive Business Solutions 9.25%, Perpetual Cumulative US Dollar Shares, Rock Insurance Company, Access Financial Services, Jamaican Teas, and Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company. 21 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.30. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.17. The pound is going for $213.68, while the euro is selling for an average $186.14. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.
The Business Day, brought to you by